Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, you're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this flounce alternate backless dress. If this is a video you're interested in, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment after watching the video. Now we're going to go straight into drafting of the pattern. It's very easy tutorial. I'll just be doing it in 1 minute. Lay out your fabric, mark 56 inches for the length, 22 inches for the width. That's what I use for this outfit. And I'll come down by 6 inches for the front pattern, and I'll go down by 10 inches for the back pattern. You can go lower than that if you want, but I wanted this measurement for mine. After marking, proceed to cutting out your fabric. After cutting out your pattern, proceed to the front pattern and just make your rope longer up to 50 inches. Attach elastic waistband to the back after sewing it in. After sewing the elastic band to the back, insert the elastic band and insert the rope to the front pattern. Here's the finished look. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.